Marcel Dupree says, need to stop bullying Pepe Larraz. He did a great job with the piece. There's no way to put everyone. First off, no one said put everyone. This is in response to my original tweet. Someone else said he literally said he forgot to add them. You can add Pixie, Cannonball, 2 cables, 4 robots, and an airplane, but you can't add Bishop, Common, Sync, Sunspot, etc. And they said the races, I mean, the foolery never stops. So I said, yeah, he forgot, like Negroes are some car keys or a cell phone. So this is when he comes along. He says, those characters aren't that popular. And 2, stop expecting / begging white corporations for representation. You want black representation? Buy black. Here's my tweet. I said I do buy black, just not from like you.
Damn.
I'm just saying.